So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is get cooking help as well. So inside of Qwen, let's say for example, if you want to go ahead and get a cooking help, you can go ahead and say, I got eggs, sugar, flour, and let's say for example, I got salt, I got let's say chicken, milk. And I can say, what can I make out of these right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and simply go ahead and give you the content, that is the ingredients that you have, then you can see that it says there are some savory ideas like make a baked or fried chicken. Then you can go ahead and make, let's say for example, chicken pot pie filling without the crust and so forth, as you can see. Or you can make pancakes and crisp, and you can see that it actually goes ahead and gives you the details on how you can actually go ahead and then prepare out your dishes. And that is how you can actually go ahead and then get cooking help as you like inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.